Welcome back to the MyMoto YouTube channel. Today we're going to have a look at how to do up a double D-ring chin strap fastening. These are like the industry standard type of fastening for motorcycle helmets, and they're used on all the race helmets, all the double D-ring fastening. But we've found recently that there's quite a lot of people who can only use the ratchet style fastening, like you can see here on the AGV K3, the new K3. And they can't do the double D-ring. And because as a shop, everyone is accepted. It doesn't matter whether you've got all the knowledge in the world or no knowledge of motorbikes at all. We always like to include everyone in our lifestyle and into motorcycling, and everyone's equal. So we thought it'd be good to do a little tutorial on how to do a double D-ring fastening. So hopefully it helps someone if they're struggling. Okay. So we're going to do it on this AGV K6S. You can see here what we have got. So you've got a strap on one side with a press stud, and then on the other side we've got a shorter strap with two D-rings. So you've got the two D-rings like that, and behind that we've got the press stud. What you're going to do to do up a D-ring is take this side, the long strap, and go through both of the D buckles like that. Okay, so you can see it's going right through the middle of both. Then split the two buckles, go round the first one and back through the second. So you're going to go straight through, around that one, and then back through this one with the tab. Once you've done that, to tighten it, all you've got to do is pull to the side, and then this excess, so it doesn't hit you in the neck when you're riding, just clips onto the press stud there. If you come to undo this helmet, or a D-ring helmet, first of all obviously take off the press stud. Now this red tab is to help loosen the helmet. So what you do is you pull the red tab to the side like that, and that gives you some slack then where it goes around your chin. That allows you to then split the two D-rings, so you pull them apart slightly, and that then allows you to pull that back out. Once that's out, that comes through and the helmet comes off. So the way to put a helmet on and do up the chin strap when it's on your head, the best way to put the helmet on, first of all, because we do sometimes have people say, do you put it on at the front, do you put it on at the back? I generally go from the top nearer to my crown. And what I always do is I will pull the chin straps wide like that. So that gives me plenty of access to get into the helmet. Also less likely to fold your ears over because you're giving yourself a bit of room. And then pull the helmet down by them straps. Once you've done that, get your chin strap. Go through both D-rings. Back through the first, like so. And then pull down and across to tighten. Press stud, and that's it. That's your helmet on. Once you get the knack of it, it's extremely easy, and you won't even think twice about throwing your helmet on, doing the D-ring, buckle up, and off you go. Now there is a little cheat. If you struggle to do the chin strap when it's on your head, you can actually do the buckle up as I've just shown you, pull the excess back through, so it's only the last bit that's going through the buckle. You can see there. That gives you enough excess to push that into the chin, and then you're able to pull that on and pull the chin strap through and tighten it, which I'll show you now. So you just keep that pinned at the front there. Helmet on. Pull that chin strap now down to the bottom, and then pull that across and press stud, and that's it. Hopefully this has helped. It'd be great to find out if you were struggling with the D-ring buckles and you only wore the ratchet style fastenings. If we've helped you in any way get into a D-ring fastening, then please just let us know in the comments. It'll be great to hear that some of our videos have helped people. If there's any other advice you need, or any other tutorials or close look at any products, then again leave it in the comments and we'll get back to you. If you want to help support the MyMoto channel, then we've got 3 stores, a store in Manchester, a store in Leeds and a store in Clay Cross in Derbyshire. All we ask is that next time you're looking for some bike kit, either come to one of our stores or visit us online at the link below in the description. Hopefully that's helped. So until next time, righto.